Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our department Humanity and Science. Course Basic Mathematics, course code 22103. Myself again Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture is obviously depend on Unit 2 Chapter number 5 Trigonometry. Last lecture we study about the ratios and their relation. Sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So we have to revise the formats which belongs to the ratio relations and the quadrant. Fundamental trigonometric identities, convection identities, sin theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, cot pi by 2 minus theta. Sec theta, it is cosec 90 minus theta. Sec theta, cosec pi by 2 minus theta. Cos theta, sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta, sin pi by 2 minus theta. Cot theta, tan 90 minus theta. Cot theta, tan pi by 2 minus theta. Cosec theta, sec 90 minus theta. Cosec theta, sec pi by 2 minus theta. Reciprocal identities, sin theta 1 upon cosec theta, cos theta 1 upon sec theta, tan theta 1 upon cot theta 1 upon tan theta, sec theta 1 upon cos theta, cosec theta 1 upon sin theta. Quotient identities, tan theta is equal to sin upon cos theta, cot theta cos upon sin theta. That is the Pythagorean identities, that is called fundamental identities also. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square of theta. Cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosec square of theta. We have to take the example based on the fundamental identities as well as quadrant as well as the angle values. Find the values of the following. Sin 300. So, sin 300 not belongs to directly the standard angle 30, 45, 60. We have to get the combination of such thing. So, we have to take the sin 300 is 270 plus 30. So, we have to know that sin of 270 plus theta. So, I write here. I write here sin 2 sin 270. So I highlight here. Sin 270 plus theta is minus cos theta. That's why we have to put instead of theta 30 degree. From the table sin 30 is 1 upon 2. That's why we have to take the sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So it is root 3 upon 2. It is the cos theta. So that's why minus cos 30 is equal to root 3 upon 2. Cos in bracket minus 60 degree is equal to, we know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. That's why we have to take cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2. Next, sin 210 is equal to sin 180 plus 30. So we have to know that sin in bracket 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. That's why it is minus. We have to look at the table. Sine of 30, it is 1 by 2. That's why final answer is minus 1 upon 2. Tan in bracket minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. That's why minus tan theta value is 45. That's why minus tan 45 is equal to minus 1. Because this table, we have to know that tan 45 is equal to 1. So we derive the answer, it belongs to these numbers. Next, determine the exact value of each of the following: sine 30, tan 45 plus tan 30 sine 30. From the table, sine 30 is 1 upon 2, tan 45 is 1. Next, tan 30 is what? We have to take the tan 30 degree. So root 3 upon 3. Next, sine 60, root 3 upon 2. Simplify. 1 upon 2 into 1 is 1 upon 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 upon 3, 2s are 6. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Final answer, simplification is 1. Next, sine 30 into sine 45 plus sine 30 into tan 45. We have sine cos 30 is what? Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Sine 45 is obviously root 2 upon 2. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Tan 30 root 3 upon 3. Multiplication root 3 into root 2 root 6. 2 2s are 4. Root 3 into 1 root 3. 3 2s are 6. Root 3 plus 3. We have to take the cross multiplication to perform. So 3 root 6 plus 2 root 3 upon the denominator we have to belong the same. That is 12. So we derive in this way the values of this expression. Now we have to find sine 75 is equal to sine 45 plus 30 degree. So we have sine 45 plus 30, sine A plus B formula. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So we have to put the value. 45 is sine 45 is obviously root 2 upon 2. So it is cancellation 1 upon root 2. Cos 30 root 3 upon 2, it is fixed. Cos 45 it is obviously 1 upon root 2. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. That's why we have to take the final answer root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So we have to derive final answer 2 simplification root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Next, we have to find the value of tan 45 minus tan 30 is equal to 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x into tan y. We know that tan 45 is what? We have to derive it is 1 minus 1 upon root 3. Tan 30 root 3 upon minus 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. We have to derive the tan 45 1 upon root 3, tan 30 root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. Simplification we have to start. So root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 remain as the same, but we have to take the cross multiplication root 3 into 1. So root 3 plus 1 upon 2. So we have to be careful about that. Tan 45 is 1, tan 30 1 upon root 3, cross multiplication root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. Next one, we have to take 1 plus 1 is the tan 45, 1 upon root 3. So we have to take the cross multiplication root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Simplification root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So root 3 minus 1 bracket square. We have to simplify because of the irrational factors are there. So we have to divide and multiply root 3 minus 1 to numerator and denominator. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, it is root 3 minus 1 bracket square. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. we have know that a plus b, a minus b is equal to root 3 square minus 1 square. Simplification, root 3 square, we have to put the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is root 3 square, b is obviously 1, and 2ab means 1 into root 3. So that's why 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 3. Upon root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1, 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 3 minus 1. So simplification 2, we have to take the 2 common, 2 in bracket, 2 minus root 3 upon denominator 2. That's why final answer is 2 minus root 3. Now we have to take the tan 15. Tan 15 is tan 45 minus 30. So tan 45 minus tan 30 is upon 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. We have to take which value? Yes, we have to know that the tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. So tan 15 is 1 minus tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So 1 minus 1 upon root 3, 1 plus 1 upon root 3, because 1 you multiply to any number, that number remain as a same. So we have to take the cross multiplication, root 3 into 1, root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 common term get cancelled. Final answer root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Simplification, we have to take the rationalize the numerator and denominator. We derive the final answer 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. So 2 get common, tan 45 2 minus root 3. Be careful, tan 15 plus cot 15. Tan 15 we have to take the derived expression is 2 minus root 3. Cot 15 1 upon 2 minus root 3. Simplification goes on. So we derive 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3. Final answer is 4. So in this way we have to prove both the example. Now tan 105 is tan 60 plus tan 45 upon 1 minus tan 60 into tan 45. 60 plus 45 gives the value 105. That's why tan 60 is root 3, tan 45 is 1. That's why from the table we have to derive root 3 plus 1 upon 1 minus root 3 into 1. 1 plus root 3 upon 1 minus root 3. Obviously we have to rationalize 1 plus root 3 upon 1 minus root 3 by plus 1 plus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. So we have 1 plus root 3 whole bracket square upon a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. That's why 1 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 upon 1 minus root 3. Because 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3. That's why 1 minus root 3 is minus 2. That's why we have to take the 3 plus 1, 4. We have to use the a plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That's why we have to take 4 plus 2 root 3. We have to take the 2 common in a numerator. So 2 plus 2 root 3 upon minus 2. So 2 get cancelled. Final answer is minus 2 minus root 3. Here we have to use both the formula. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. We have to rationalize the denominator with the, here is minus, we have to take the plus. Then simplification term is that a plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. In denominator root a square is a. In this way we have to use law of indices, we have to use the rationalize method, and we have to use the tan a plus b formula to solve such type of example. Here sin 420, 360 plus 60, sin 360 plus theta, sin 6 theta. That's why sin 60 we have sin 60 root 3 upon 2. Cos 390, cos 360 plus 30, that is 360 plus theta. Cos 360 plus theta is cos 30. That is cos theta. So root 3 upon 2, same answer we have to derive. Same trick, cos minus 300. We know that cos of minus theta is plus cos of theta. But 300, 360 minus 60. That is why cos minus 60 degree. Because cos 360 minus theta is cos theta. But here we derive the minus theta. That's why 1 upon 2. Cos 60 is 1